Hello, this is Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this beautiful peony fabric flower. Before we start, consider pressing the subscribe button so you won't miss any update. I use crepe fabric for this peony flower. It has a beautiful texture. And this is the petal shape that I use for this peony fabric flower. Heat up the soldering iron and start cutting like this. If you haven't watched my tutorial about cutting fabric using a soldering iron, you can see the description below. I even show how to make our own template. You can search this template on Google with the keyword 4 petals flower template. Cut a hole at the center like this. Now I will show you how to stiffen the fabric. Prepare fabric stiffener, paper towels, and tweezers. Dip the fabric like this. Place the fabric on several layers of paper towels. I leave the fabric dry by placing it in front of a fan, about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, let's shape the fabric using another soldering iron. I use round tip like this. Press each petal and they will curl beautifully. Like this. Turn it over and press right at the center. Make 4 pieces of these petals and I will show you how to assemble this. Prepare stamen or pistil. I will tie the stamen with needle and thread. Put the stamen right in the center here. Take the second petal . Use hot glue to hold them in place. I like to pinch them like this. Continue with the next petal. And this is the last petal. use hot glue to secure the stamen. To finish this peony flower, cut this and secure with hot glue. Our peony fabric flower is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this peony fabric flower tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.